Do you have videos that you want to edit on your computer, your PC computer? Maybe there are VHS tapes that you had digitized and there's a lot of content you don't need to save, or you've got videos on your phone that you'd like to put together. In this video, I'm going to show you a very easy app right on your PC that you can use to start editing your videos today. Hi, I'm Molly Bartelt, and I'm co-founder of Pixology, and I help teach people how to use their computers so that they can enjoy their memories today, 10 years from now, and even generations to come. So, at Pixology, over the last few months, we've been digitizing tons of videos for people, and we keep getting the questions, how to edit them. Well, we have a couple programs that we recommend, and I thought it would be helpful to put a little tutorial together. On the PC, your computer comes with the Photos app, and most people don't even realize that they can edit video in it. Now, it's simple, and there's not a lot of bells and whistles like some of the complex movie editing programs out there, but it will be perfect for you to cut out scenes that just don't need to be in your movie, to add titles and even music. Okay, let's go to the screen here and we'll get started. All right, we're going to go to your search bar and type in Photos to get the Photos app. In here, you'll see you can click on New Video in the upper right-hand corner. Go ahead and name your video. I'm going to name mine Our Wedding. Okay, now we need to go get your video clip, and it's time to add a video clip. So I click the Add button. From this PC, I have a video on my desktop, and there it is from a DVD, and I drag it down to the storyboard. Now I'm clicking play because I know I want to get a little bit of that blue screen out, just a couple seconds or so. And then I go to split clip, and I can see I've got my two clips there. That's all I'm going to do in here and click done. Now you can see that first clip is blue. I've deleted it and I've gotten rid of one little part of my video. So I'm scrolling along and just kind of seeing maybe where the procession starts, because that might be a nice place to put in a title slide. So let's just see where I end up here. It doesn't have to be perfect. This is just to give you guys an example of how to edit a video. All right, so I clicked split, takes me to the split screen. I click done, and now I have my two pieces. Then I know at the end, my video goes to the reception. Let's just scroll along here and see what else we can see. So we have the receiving line, and then I know for just a few seconds it splits to the reception. So I'm going to advance it one frame at a time using the triangle with the vertical line. That's to the right of the play button. And this helps you fine-tune where you want to actually split your video. So there it is. I click split, and now I'm in that screen again. I have my major part and then the 9 seconds left. So you can see I have 3 parts to my movie. Now it is time to add titles. So I'd really like to have a few titles in here, and I just click it and it pops one title screen in, and I can move it around easily. I click the text button to add the text and pick a style. So let's go with this very pretty style here, and I'll call this Our Wedding. September 1996, long time ago. And I click done. Now I don't want the blue background, so I click on background and I can change it to black. Click done. Now I have a very elegant title screen, and I'm going to do Control C to copy it and paste it. So I'm just hitting Control C and Control V, copy and paste. I'm changing the names to what it is. And this one's going to be the reception. And then I click done. So now I have 3 sections of my movie very quickly. So the title slides are done. Now I might want to add some background music, and I can click on background music in the top right area there. There is not very much to choose from, so I'll cancel that and I'll go to custom audio, where I can import my own music in, which is really nice if you want to have anything from your CD library. The last step is to finish your video, to export it as an MP4. Right now, the video in this project is simply a project file, so you have to export it so that you can share it. And we are going to speed up the export process because this is a half-hour video. It's going to take a little bit. So it is finishing up, and then your video is going to pop up and you can preview what you've created. So there is my video with these elegant titles. I think it's really awesome. Here you get to see a little bit of what my wedding was like 26 years ago. So I'll close it. That was a quick overview on how to use the Photos app on your PC to edit a video. Now, we went through it kind of quickly, and I hope that I answered your questions on how to do basic edits right on your PC. If you have questions that I didn't answer, leave them in the comments below, and we'll try to answer them there or in a future video. If you thought this was helpful, please subscribe to our channel. We're uploading new tutorials all the time, and our goal is just to help give you the tools you need to preserve your family memories. That's it for now. Have a great rest of the day.